How to download and install a game from the PlayStation Store on PS5. From the home screen, navigate to the PlayStation Store icon, the blue bag with the PS logo, and press X to enter. Search for the game you want to download. You can browse the New Releases and Offers sections, or use the search bar in the top right to find a specific title. Select the game with X to view all the information, price, images, videos, and technical details. If it's free, select Download. If it's a paid game, choose Add to Cart or Buy, then confirm payment with your chosen method, card, PayPal, or PSN credit. After purchasing, the download will begin automatically. You can check its status from the Control Center, Downloads, and press the plus button. Once the download is complete, the PS5 will automatically install the game. No action is needed, you'll see an icon for the game appear on the home screen. When the installation is complete, select the game and press X to start playing. Helpful tip: you can leave your PS5 in sleep mode to continue downloading games even when the console appears to be turned off. Simply enable the Stay Connected to the Internet during sleep mode option in your power settings.